for their cabin crew interviews. And the reason why you fail in your cabin crew interviews is your first impression. I am Maria Pawar, internationally accredited trainer and image coach. I have been in the airlines for 18 years with a domestic airline in India and an international airline in the Gulf. I would like to share my experience with you on how to create a fantastic first impression to be able to get through the first round. Few things now before I share this important and valuable information with each and every one of you. Please ensure you keep a pen and paper so that you can write it down. However, if you do want any more information, feel free to email me on the address given below in the link. Now that's all done with, and let me start off with why you fail in creating that first impression. Remember, you need to plaster a smile on your face no matter what happens. Remember, Big Brother is watching you. Big Boss is watching you, and they can be watching you from anywhere and everywhere. So you need to have a smile always, no matter what happens. Please keep that smile on. With your smile, you need to have eye contact. When you connect with them, you give them a part of your soul. Very important. So with your eye connect, you smile and you introduce yourself, you shake hands and say, "Hi, my name is Maria. Oh, you know, it's a little bit hot today. How do you feel the climate out here in this country?" You can say that. Now, a few things in order to be able to create a first impression is, remember, airline cabin crew interviews are very difficult, and as per statistics, 10 out of 1,000 get through. So what are you going to do differently in order to be able to crack the interview and get through? I'm also coming up with a fantastic book. It's called The Interview Guide. Don't forget, I will be putting it up on Amazon and you can buy it from there. So good luck and all the very best in being able to create a fantastic impression. Don't forget your smile and your eye contact. See you. Bye.